Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're making an avocado and jalapeno aioli, and for that we need an avocado, we need oil, we need a jalapeno or two. I ended up using two jalapenos, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, chopped cilantro, and the juice of one lime. If you want the sauce to be hotter or spicier, use serrano peppers. They are longer and thinner than the jalapenos, and they have 2 or 3 times the amount of heat of a jalapeno. So we put everything in the blender and we blend until it forms an aioli or a mayo texture. I want to take the time to say thank you to all my subscribers in Australia, the UK, India, Canada, and here in the US that watch me, and I want to encourage the ones that have not subscribed to my channel to do so. Thank you for the thumbs up, and uh, feel free to share the video with your friends on social media. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And the description in the description box, I also have a list of all the ingredients, the exact amount. That is the aioli that I use on the pupusas, the beans and cheese pupusas, but you can use that aioli on tacos. You can use it on a toast in the morning, and pretty much you can do whatever you want with it. Even if you want it, if you make it a little bit more watery, add more oil, and you can use it as a salad dressing as well. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Chaito. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out the videos that I'm putting at the end. Bye.